Book of Heaven, Volume 11, September 25th, 1914. Effects of the prayers done in the divine will. I was offering my poor prayers to blessed Jesus, and I was thinking to myself to whom it would be better for blessed Jesus to apply them. And he benignly said to me,
"My daughter, the prayers done with me and with my very will can be given to all without excluding anyone. All receive their part and their effects, as if those prayers had been offered for one alone. However, they operate according to the dispositions of the creatures, just like communion or my passion. I give it to all and to each one, but the effects are produced according to their dispositions. And if 10 people receive it, the fruit is not inferior to the case in which 5 had received it. Such is the prayer done together with me and from my will."